In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change region in the App Store on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up App Store. Then just tap right here at your profile picture at the top right. After that, tap at your name at the very top. And then on the next page, we need to tap at country and region. We can easily find it somewhere right here towards the middle of the screen. In my case, it is set to United States. However, if we tap on it, we'll be able to select a different country or region. Just keep in mind that changing your country or region will cancel any automatically renewing subscriptions and any current subscriptions. So if you tap right here, all your subscriptions will be disabled. To continue, tap at Change Country or Region, then select a country from that list. You can scroll down or up until you find the country you would like to use. Then tap at Agree to agree with new terms and conditions, and on the next step you need to enter valid payment method for the selected country or region. You can select credit or debit card, PayPal, mobile phone, and also you can enter some card details here. If we've selected credit or debit card, we need to enter number, expiration date, and CVV code down below here. And then also it may require some additional information such as your billing address, and then to continue tap at done, and after that your country will be changed to the country you selected. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.